Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sideload apps on your Fire Stick. If an app isn't available in Amazon App Store, then follow along. First, open settings from your Fire Stick home screen, then go to My Fire TV and then Developer option. From there, enable the option that allows apps from unknown sources if it's available on your device. Next, install a trusted downloader or file manager app from the Amazon App Store. Then launch the downloader app and enter the official download link for the APK file you want to install. Then wait for the download to complete, and when prompted, select install and wait for the installation to finish. And once it's installed, open the app from your apps library. And after confirming everything works correctly, you can delete the APK installer file to free up storage space. And always download APK files from trusted and official sources to reduce security risks. So that was how to sideload apps on Fire Stick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.